We have been teaching you this thing now, telling you this is how to do it. This is how you are just there nothing, nothing. Small time now you just go and do mistake. Once you do mistake now you come out they didn't tortoise. I've been saying all these things consecutive times. This is what you need to do. See, without these things I'm about to tell you, YouTube will never recommend your videos out there. YouTube will not show your videos to new viewers. YouTube will not show your video. The algorithm will be against you if you are not doing all these things. I don't know why like you are not even putting it into practice. Like this is not even what you want and you are still doing it. Optimize your videos very well and you get the result. That's it. um You keep on doing it. This thing I'm about to tell you now, I've been saying it, but I've seen a lot of people are not even trying to keep it like put it into practice. It's not working. We share it, they didn't tortoise. Now I want to repeat it again. I want to repeat it again. So what's the problem? Without you doing these things, YouTube can never ever, because YouTube doesn't know what your page is all about. It will just be, it won't push it. YouTube won't push your video. So sit down right here. I'm going to be teaching with a screen record so that you will know the niche you are, fixed everything based on that niche you are, so that YouTube will be pushing your videos to people that are interested in the type of content you make. This is how it is done. You get? You can't plant apple and expect to reap corn. It doesn't work that way. Do you understand? So you have to plan your things. You do it the right way. Optimize your videos. Your settings should be accurate. Do your own part. Then allow YouTube to do its own part. Yeah, and don't be frustrating. I know it can be frustrating when you post out there, you are not getting that desired views you want and those subscribers you want. Believe me, YouTube is not easy. It's not easy, and you are trying. You are trying, but for you to do the needful matters a lot. For you to do your own part, that's the best. That's the best. That is what will give you the result, the actual result you want. So that's what I'm trying to tell you. So I'm going to tell you all these settings that you need for your channel to be pushed out, for your channel to be on its niche it should be. So I'm going to be teaching you with a screen record. So, and if up to this moment you haven't subscribed to this channel, I don't know. I don't know what I will do to you. I look around this video. You see where they write subscribe. I press that button. Press that button. Press it. Uh-huh. Press it. This is what you should be doing. You comment and share. Be doing it. Yes, be doing it. Uh-huh. As you press am now, did it remove anything from you? It didn't. It didn't. So I'll be teaching you with a screen record on the settings, the basic settings that you need for your channel to be on its niche and for YouTube to start pushing out your videos to new audience and even your existing subscribers so that they will be engaging in your videos. That's what we want, right? That's it. So sit tight and join me in this tutorial. Let's go. So now welcome. On this tutorial, I'm going to show you the basic settings that you need so that YouTube will start pushing out your content out there. Believe me, if you don't do all these things, your channel won't be seen by people. YouTube will not recommend your channel to people. So before we go, first of all, you have to switch your browser mode to desktop site for you to get access to this YouTube Studio, the web version. So now, this is the web version of my YouTube channel. So I'm kind of having a slow network here, but it's fine. So now, first thing first, you have to go to your customization button. Customization button. You have to press it. So once, oh God. So once it opens here, from your settings, your banner image, you put it well based on the niche you are. Your profile picture, you set it, but this is not the main deal. This is just the basic, one of the basic things I'm trying to show to you. Then your link, I've made a video about link, how you can put your link and all that. Then now let's go to setting. Click on setting, and this is the basic things. Then go to your channel, you click on channel. Now this channel I'm making this tutorial from is a folktale channel. Now as you can see the keywords here, it is all about African folktale. It is all about storytelling. It is all about animated stories. Now see, the first one we have African folktale, storytelling, folklore, bedtime stories. As you can see, I inserted as many keywords regarding to my channel, regarding to the niche I'm in. Sorry. So now as you can see, all the basic infos, I have provided YouTube with the basic infos that YouTube need for this channel. That is anything that concerns folktale, storytelling, bedtime stories, stories for kids, African telling stories. There are so many keywords, and you are going to choose the most relevant and necessary ones for your channel. Now you go to your advanced setting. This is based on your audience. If your videos are not meant for kids, you can select no, not meant for kids. You get? Not no, set this channel not meant for kids. You can set it here, or you can, I want to review the setting. That is if in case maybe most times you post something that are meant for kids, you can just post it and YouTube will ask you whether is it for kids or not for kids. Now it's now left for you to choose if it is for kids or not for kids. But for here, if you click no, not meant for kids, it has been already been a default that your videos are not meant for kids. That is by the way. So in here, if you have a linked accounts, that's only let linked accounts use this channel video as ads, in the sense that all other your other YouTube videos, that is for your linked accounts. Automated captions. You know, once someone's open your video, there's some caption that YouTube on its own started, that the write-ups. So if you don't want this caption to show on your video, this is where you disable it. So advertisement, if you have any advertisement on your this thing, on the video you post, you can even click it here. That is if you select this option. Personalized ads will not shown on your video on your channel, such as ad based on a viewer's interest or marketing ads. This may significantly reduce your channel's revenue. If you are monetized, I don't think you should click on this. If you are monetized, seriously. So these are clips. He said if you deselect this option, viewers will not be able to clip your content, and exit clips of your content will not. This is in sense that your videos will be like part by part. Maybe someone can just clip your first 10 seconds, second 10 seconds, that kind of thing. So it is a third party training. If you select this option, YouTube may share your video with a third party company, provided that you and all other applicable rights holders have chosen to allow that company. This is for this is something like is it this thing should be related to allow embedding. I think so. So this is your feature eligibility. See in here, this is how your channel, as you can see, my channel is free of active community guideline strike. I have one strike though. I have one strike here. So this is allow collaboration and collaborators of playlist. That is someone can add your video to it, to his playlist or her playlist. One of your video or two of your videos. Add new videos to existing playlist. You can do that. This one is intermediate features, videos over 15 minutes, custom thumbnails and live stream. You can, yeah, this is very, very important. This one's here. So now the advanced features is, this is where you will verify your channel. This is where you verify your channel. Like I've requested for access pin, but I haven't gotten my access pin as the time of recording this video. So had it been I've done that, I think this valid ID will tick good. You get. So this is what you have to do for YouTube to push out your videos. You have to optimize all these settings so that YouTube will push out your videos. Now this is the permission, this is the channel, the email I'm working with on this channel. So this setting should be on your customization where you add your email and all that. So do this now for YouTube to push out your videos. Please subscribe to this channel. This channel is still young, like we never even go anywhere. Please, if you come across this video and you find it helpful, please subscribe, comment, and share. Thank you, and see you in my next video.